Hey, I'm Henry and I'm a project engineer on the Tonkin Gap. One of my roles is to manage the installation of noise walls which are starting to go up across the project. We thought you might be interested to hear how we build them. Extensive noise modelling has been undertaken during the project design phase, from which we have identified the areas along Talkin Highway where noise walls are required. Most of the noise walls for the project will be made of concrete panels slotted into steel posts. Our first step is to set up the area, which involves building an access track that is suitable for all the noise wall install activities and removing residential fence as required. We then use a CFA or continuous flight auger piling rig to install a series of 5 metre deep concrete footings, followed by a 25-tonne franner lifting in the posts, panels and acrylics. Finally, we clean up the area by backfilling the wall, tidying up and tying in any remaining residential fence and completing the anti-graffiti coating. During construction there will be some noise and disturbance, however all works will be completed during the day. If you're getting a noise wall near your property, the community team will be in contact before work commences.